this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
I think they're the 6th largest institutional holder of shares in Disney, and he's a multi-billionaire. There's 2 guys that are fighting for this. This guy's a $1.5 billion guy. I believe another guy's a $4.5 billion guy. He could be the one. Can you kind of pull that up and give your thoughts on
so
it?
let me pull it back for America. This is your favorite?
Yes, baby girl. Give it to me more. We maximize the maximum. Roll. My baby looking better than a doll. In a dance, no she easy control. The way she moves, she a go. Do, 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 do.
Quiero que mi ausencia sean las grandes alas con las que ese vuelo largo.
A lobster trunk was damaged after getting Storrowed this afternoon. This happened around noon on Storrow Drive eastbound at Charles Street. No one was hurt. There were, of course, some traffic delays in the area while this vehicle was removed.
Yeah. What are you doing, dumbass? Oh! You motherfucker! I got it on video too, man. Oh, God, you too. Oh, shit. Ah, y'all stop! Fuck! Oh, my God. I'm calling 911 right now, man. Get down, Luna. 911. Get down, Luna. Get down. Call 911. Hate people, dog.
Yeah, that's true.
Now we're gonna.
Man, oh man, the irony in this. Boom. How? This guy is not keeping America moving. Not at all. Hey, you know what's even worse? Let me show y'all this. Here, my dear friends, is the worst part. 12-1. Cops. Dickhead. Excuse my French. 12-1. Cops. Person who is not keeping America.
Detected.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? $20? No, too much money. He's no good operator. He's not doing nothing.
Look! Fucking dead, bro. DA? That's him. Hey, tell Sherman go by it slow. I want to record it. Oh yeah, he's dead. No fucking way, bro.
Jesus fucking.
Hey, he came by us doing like 160.
Bro, fucking idiot, bro. He's dead. He's fucking dead, dude. Fucking dumbass. Hey, yo.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.